You finish a chapter, close the book, and 5 minutes later, you can't recall a single thing besides that one weird statistic you underlined. You're frustrated. You read, you try to learn, but nothing sticks. You assume it's you. Maybe you're too old. Maybe your brain's broken. Here's the thing. It's not you. It's how you're reading. 1. What's actually happening in your brain? Your brain is built to forget. Yes, forgetting is a feature, not a bug. Research shows there are active processes letting your brain erase information it deems not important. Also, the more you cram and the less you engage, the more you trigger something called the forgetting curve. Massive loss of retention within 24 hours. Here are the two big culprits. Shallow encoding. You skim, you highlight, you don't engage. The brain barely files it. Interference and decay. New info crowds out the old. Time plus distractions equals much of the material vanishes. 2. Why reading equals learning is dead wrong. You think you read, you learn, you remember. But that chain breaks at remember. Studies on reading retention show that passive reading, just going through pages, doesn't embed meaning. One expert puts it bluntly. Whether it's plot details or critical exam info, the easiest way to fix unwanted forgetting while reading is to intentionally connect what you read to things you already know. If you're not doing that, your reading is just entertainment, not education. 3. The fix. How to actually retain what you read. Here's where it gets practical. Stop blaming your memory. Start changing the way you read. Step A. Set the stage. Before you read, preview the chapter. Scan the headings, subheadings, bullet points. Ask, what do I expect to learn? This primes your brain to look for meaning. Write down what you already know about the topic. That spaces you into the material instead of jumping in blind. Step B. Read actively, not passively. Highlight SMART. Only approximately 20% of the text. If you highlight everything, you highlight nothing. Turn headings into questions. Ask them as you read. Summarize after each section. In your own words. Don't use the text's words, use yours. Visualize. Create mental images or associations for key ideas. Images stick harder. Step C. Lock it in with retention techniques. Spaced repetition. Review the key ideas after 1 day. After 7 days, after 30 days. That's how your brain moves stuff from just read to remembered. Retrieval practice. Close the book. Ask yourself what you remember. Struggle a bit to retrieve. That strengthens memory. Teach someone, explain it aloud. When you explain it, you reorganize it inside your head. That fixes it deeper. 4. Habits that destroy your retention. You might be doing these every day. Reading while drained or distracted. Shallow encoding. Highlighting everything like a neon explosion. Nothing stands out. Never reviewing. You're engraving in sand, not stone. Expecting to remember just by reading once. The forgetting curve doesn't care. 5. Your simple 5-minute retention protocol. Here's a mini routine next time you pick up a book or article. 1. 1 minute. Preview and question. 2. Read one section only. 3. Summarize aloud or write down in 2 sentences. 4. 1 minute. Create one mental image for the main idea. 5. End session. Mark the next review time. Tomorrow, in 7 days, in 30 days. Follow this 3-step loop and you'll go from well-read but nothing remembered to well-read and well-remembered. 6. Why this matters for you. If you're reading for self-growth or productivity, then forgetting what you read is wasted effort. You didn't just want to pass the book. You wanted the shift. You wanted to apply it. These techniques make you not just a reader, but a remembered reader. 7. The challenge tonight. Pick one article or one chapter you've already read and failed to remember. Use the protocol. Start small. Do it again tomorrow and the next day. See what changes. Once you fix how you read, the next step is fixing how you learn. Watch How to Learn Anything Faster Than Everyone. It's the part your brain's been waiting for.